Welcome! In this video, we will cover sending payment links via text or email for clients who have purchased the Stacks add-on feature. Once you have logged into your Field Central web account, navigate to the Schedule page and search for the desired property. With the Stacks payment feature add-on, users are able to click the Collect Payment button. This action will bring up a modal showing open invoices on the left side and associated property contacts on the right side. To send a payment link, users will first select which invoices they would like to include and then select if they want to send either via text or email using the associated icons. A confirmation window will appear to confirm the user wishes to send. At the bottom of the Open Invoices list, users are able to review any previously sent invoice links to the customer that are still pending payment. To review awaiting payment invoices, click on the Link Exists icon. If you need to edit the contact's phone or email, click on the Update Customer Billing Information icon. To edit an existing phone number or email, click on the text and then be sure to save any changes. To add another phone number or email, click Add New Record. Please note that only one phone number and one email can be set as used for payments per property contact. Please keep in mind that Field Central users who are set up as company owner, office manager, or accountant will automatically have access to payment functionality if your company has this convenient add-on feature. Ready to give it a go? Give this a try the next time you are collecting payment for a property.